Hey everyone, quick tip for your Associated Element 24 Enduros. The stock battery is a little 1S. If you hack off the stock battery connector off the battery and the ESC and then repurpose that as the motor connector and chop off the motor connector and use the female end on the power input of the ESC and then the male end on your battery, just so you can reuse it, you can stick a 2S from an SCX24 or just whatever you have. And I was worried this might fry it, but I think that the speed controller can actually understand. If you look here, the camera will focus. Notice the two blinks and then it goes solid. With the 1S, turn it on here, you get one blink and it goes solid, and it starts blinking because the transmitter is not connected. From what I can tell, this truck is fine on 2S. I think it understands and recognizes 2S. Castle ESCs will always beep the number of cells, and I think those blink codes are what that is. I'll do some testing and report back and see if it actually does work. But for now, it makes it really fast. It's almost like 10 scale crawler speed. Way too fast for crawling. Honestly, it needs to be geared down a lot. I think that's why they put the little 1S battery in here, was to slow it way down. But personally, with all the SCX24s I have plenty of things to crawl with, so it's kind of fun to have a fast little trail truck. But I'll report back with any updates if I fry it, and just thought I'd share that with you guys because I have not been able to find anything on specs for these little speed controller receiver units. But anyway, thanks for watching.